Mom, is it 1-0? Or is it 2? 1. Nice job, Liam.
Come on, Justin, that's you. Don't wait. Go, go. Nolan, go to the ball. Why are you chasing the ball, Nolan? Now, cross it, Justin. Go, Andy.
Yeah, okay. Goal. Okay.
Go by him, Justin. Go by him quick. Come on, Justin, don't keep the ball. All the way back, all the way back.
No goalie.
Oh, Charlotte. Nolan, go back. Help him. Go back.
Liam, middle, Liam.
Come on, Nolan. Go, follow through. Get out of there, Nolan. Go, Charlie, go. Go, Nolan, go. Get it out of there, Liam.
Bahay na kami, guys. Ay, naku, ang aga namin nag-ano kanina. 8:30. Ngayon lang nakauwi kasi yung games ni Brianna is 9:30 to 10:30 and then kay Liam is 11:30 to 12:30. Anong oras na ngayon, guys?
Can someone help me?
Oh, ano na, 1:30 na kami nakauwi ng bahay. So, ganito yung life namin pag Saturday. Agang nagigising and then late na kong makauwi dahil sa game. Depende kasi sa ano nila, sa time ng laro nila. So far, okay naman yung laro nila, Brianna. Yun yung natalo sila last time na 5-0. But this time, talo pa rin sila pero nakascore sila ng 5. And then the other team. But that was Henzi team. The other team, 7. And then, kay Liam na team, as usual, si Liam naman yung palaging nakaka-goals. So, 5 Liam, right?
Yeah, 5-2.
5 yung goals, naka 4 goals si Liam. And then yung isang ka-teammates niya, 1 goal. So, 5 goals lahat. And then the other team, 2 goals. So, yun yung namin, guys. Okay, why I cannot see the Villarreal lagi ni Valencia? Why I can see?
Because it's usually on Paramount.
Okay. Naghanap, ito guys, uwi lang galing laro nila. Pero muna kami, nag-stop over kami sa Starbucks and then sa Target. Kasi bumili ng pang dinner namin mamaya. And then bumili ako ng salad. Then bumili ng helmet ni Liam. Kasi nagbabike yung batang yan, walang helmet. Yung pinapagamit ko sa kanya, yung helmet ni Brianna, ayaw niya kasi kulay pink. Ngayon, nabilhan ko siya ng helmet ngayon. It's better to be safe than to be sorry, guys. Kaya pinag-helmet ko talaga siya or else hindi ka makapaglaro ng bike. Okay, AC Milan. Let's see the score. AC Milan, okay. I think half-time na.
Mom,
Yeah. So, ito yung niya. Yung
it doesn't make sense.
paano niya, guys.
Oh.
Kasi last week, no choice last week, right?
Yeah.
So, yan yung paano niya. So,
Well, that sucks.
yung
Mom, I already
kasi
have the
nagka-goal
same
siya
keychain.
and then tingnan mo si Brianna, dalawa din yung toys na yung sa kanya. Are you done with your lunch ba?
No. I have no lunch.
Go eat your lunch. Ito, ito kay Liam, yung Starbucks ni Liam. Magastos, no? Yung mga anak ko, guys, magastos. And then, yung binili ko sa sa Target, ito, yun yung pang snacks nila din sa school. Para bukas hindi na ako pupunta ng guys, Target. Apples. And then, cherries at saka raspberry, yan. And then salad kasi gusto ko mag-salad na yung lunch with 2 eggs, boiled eggs and 2 parmesan. And then si Brianna nag-as ng yogurt, Yakult, And then, ito, favorite ko ni Brianna, guys. Yan. And then, dahil yung nugget. Yan. Hold on. And then, ito yung helmet ni Liam. Yan. And then, every game, sa laro nila Liam, may naka-schedule na magdadala ng snacks. So, yung naka-schedule yung ka-teammates niya. Yan. Yung schedule namin na magdala ng snacks.
I got a fish.
Ano na ang laro? Last game nila, guys. Hindi this coming Saturday, kundi the following Saturday. Yun yung ano nila. Last game. And then, continuation kami sa CCB. Yung ano nila. May practice ulit sila sa CCB. And then, games. Busy kami. So, ito. Gagawa ko ng salad ko, guys. Itlog. Cucumber. Nakalimutan ko palang kumuha ng avocado. And then, yan. Kunti lang. Lagyan ko ng and then, dressing. So, ilagay ko muna tong mga pamili natin, guys. Ala, Liam, you need to finish this. Daghan malitag ko ang diridong. Daghan malitag raspberry diridong. Tapon ko na tong sauce from the restaurant.
Wow!
Uy! Murag ang kuan niya.
Oh no! It popped out!
Liam! I was thought you like something. Ito pala yung nabili ko. Yan, masarap to, guys. Ayan, yung nagustuhan ni Liam. Matamis siya. So, kung uwi kami ng Pinas, mag-move kami ng Pinas, wala nang ganyan kasi mahal yung mga ganyang prutas. Yung mura is yung mangga, yun talaga yung pinakamura na na prutas sa Pinas. And then, saging.
Mom bought this.
Mamaya pala, magluluto ako ng magluluto ako ng meatballs mamaya, guys.
Mom, did you make my lunchable?
Oo. May nagtanong nito na na paano daw lutuin. Mabilis lang. Normally sa ang niyan, ground chicken, pero ako nilalagyan ko siya ng ground pork kasi yung ground chicken ang bilis mag-dry. Hindi siya dry na pagka na chicken meatballs. Masarap siya. But can you put this outside the fridge?
Sarah.
Thank you.
Whoa! It's so close. I'm gonna get bit. I always. Yeah, I'm gonna get that lobster. You're done. You're done. Oh, I'm done. Go, go, go. I'm done. You're done. You're done. I'm done. I'm done. Boom. Oh. I ain't done yet. I'm not done. I'm
Did you
no.
put it on the right?
Oh! Oh, I'm not done. I'm not done. Go, go, go.
By the right.
Yeah. You're gonna get bit. I know. I know I'm gonna get bit. Just go. Yeah. Oh! No! I'm gonna get bit, I think. What's this? Oh! You're gonna get bit. No chance. Boom! No chance. See? Wait, I think this. I forgot to put the eye.
Go get your plate. Ito yung lunch natin, guys. Wala akong breakfast. And then matcha.
Hey, Mom. So, this is perfect. You know why?
What?
Liam's CCV team name was Sharks. It fits perfect for them because they are sharks. They are dangerous. Yeah, and I got that shark toy, so that's funny.
Put your...
I just thought about that. I didn't know.
Guys! Liam, stop. Ginabi na tayo, guys. Gabi na naman. Magluluto na naman ng dinner ang nanay. Pagawa ko ng Alfredo sauce. Kasi may tira akong meatballs. Tapos ko na siyang pina-brown sa ano guys, sa oven for 7 minutes lang para hindi siya mag-overcook ba. And para hindi mag-dry yung meatballs natin. Then gagawa na ako ng Alfredo sauce. Yung Alfredo sauce guys, ano lang? Whipped cream, and then garlic, butter, and parmesan. Yan lang yung Alfredo sauce natin. Si Liam, hindi to bet na Liam, kaya magluto ako sa kanya ng panandaliang chicken nuggets dito sa air fryer natin guys. And then may broccoli din sila. Ako naman, salad, meatballs, and then lagyan ko siya ng maraming ito guys, oh. Ayan. Hindi naman wala namang pasok bukas, kaya okay lang na late kami kakain ng dinner. So, 3 tablespoon ng butter. Tansya na lang to guys ng pagkaano ko. Mabilis lang naman yung Alfredo sauce. Hindi ko na siya lagyan ng parsley. Kasi kami lang naman ni Brianna ang kakain ito guys. Tuin ko na yung and then yung chicken nuggets. Ang ingay ni Liam guys, grabe yung energy. Parang hindi tumakbo si Liam ng parang hindi siya tumakbo today ng 1 oras. Yan dito sa pagkadating, gumawa lang ng homework niya, and then ayun na naman. Naglalaro na naman ng bola dito sa loob ng bahay. Yun talaga yung habit niya guys. Kaya ayokong ayokong pag move kami ng Pilipinas, yan yung pinag-worry ko kasi sa Pagadian walang hindi masyado yung soccer na laro sa mga bata guys. Not unlike sa Zamboanga City or sa Manila na merong mga club sa Manila. Baka sa Manila na lang kami guys. Titira muna pang samantala. Kasi ayaw ko maputol yung ni Liam sa laro ng soccer. Kasi yun talaga ang gusto ni Liam guys. Passion ni Liam yung maglaro talaga ng soccer. Ang plano namin ni Mr. baka mag-rent lang kami ng apartment somewhere in Taguig sa BGC. Yun yung namin, plano namin. So, nakaluto na. And anytime, pwede naman makalipad dito si Mr. kasi nga may flight na yung United papunta dito from Manila or Cebu. From Cebu naman, Cebu to Japan and then Japan to San Francisco. So may benefit si Mr. yung niya. Libreng lipad for for life. Yung isa sa mga benefits ni Mr. guys. Kasama din ako, pero yung mga bata, may sila, I think 21 years old, yung benefits ng mga bata. Mas top. Nagutom na ako guys. Nag-treadmill kasi ako, kaya na-late yung ginabi na ako ng pagluto ng dinner. Treadmill pa more.
Mommy.
Tapos ko na yung vlog namin, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And see you sa sunod na vlog. Bye!
I wanna watch mine.
Salad ko, guys. Kay Brianna na food. Kasi ayaw niyang may daming arte ng anak ko. Ayaw niya ng may spinach. Can you get me some soda water ba?
Mom, okay, I have a question.
Yes.
Am I allowed to drink this?
No. Tomorrow.
Okay.
After ako naman gusto ko yung maraming spinach naman yung sa akin. Yan yung dinner natin, guys. Yan at saka salad.